Recent policy shifts at HHS and the FDA have changed how COVID shots are recommended and who's prioritized. But not everyone is happy about it. Senators Bernie Sanders and Chuck Schumer are now calling for HHS Secretary RFK Jr. to resign. Let's go to Emma Withrow from the Fact Check team. HHS Secretary facing scrutiny even before his appointment.
Yeah.
Tell us more about all of these staffing changes. A lot of policy changes to discuss.
Yeah, so they're basically reshuffling the CDC's vaccine advisory board. They're replacing a bunch of members and reshaping how decisions are made. RFK Jr. says it's a move to quote unquote restore trust. And then meanwhile at the FDA, they're tightening the rules, specifically with vaccines. COVID-19 shots are now targeting high-risk groups rather than just the entire general public.
And President Trump is also calling on pharmaceutical companies to justify success of these COVID vaccines. And this all comes as mistrust in vaccines has risen. I'm curious what those numbers look like.
So a study that I found from the CUNY Medical School found that about 1/3 of Americans still don't trust the science behind COVID-19 vaccines. Also, a Pew Research study found that 6 in 10 Americans say they'll probably not get an updated COVID-19 vaccine. So the research is there that people still are a little iffy on the whole thing.
Yeah, and trust continues to be the crux of all of this, it seems.
Yeah.
Emma, thank you. A little later on, Emma's going to join us to dig into Americans' trust of public health organizations and the political dynamics that may influence them.